Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. It's a baby girl Timmy. Hope we are all doing fine. Yeah, it's another day. Thank you for coming in once again. Today we are going to prepare vegetable and stew. If you have a party or you have any occasion, you can prepare your vegetable soup like this. So you go on and blend your pepper. If your pepper have too much water like this, I advise you to boil it first before you fry your stew for vegetable. Before you add your pepper, make sure you fry your red oil, which is your palm oil, and your onions, your locust bean. If you don't have locust bean, just fry your onions. If you think you still need pepper, you add your pepper like me. Don't forget to add your Maggi. You should put 2 Maggi and your salt. If your oil did not come up like this, then your stew have no fry. Make sure it fry like this well. Then you go on and add all your mede, your sliced pomo, everything you want to add. Then you go on and add it. After adding every mede inside, then you wait for 5 minutes before you put your vegetable in a low heat. So let's go on and cook the stew. Yeah, you see what I'm putting? I'm putting my salt, my Maggi, my curry, just more time. After adding everything, make sure you turn everything together, you cover it and let your meat cook well. So to prepare the stew, we are going to put our red oil in our pot, then we put our onions, then you put small salt inside your onions. After 1 minute, then you can put your blended pepper, your habanero pepper, your bell pepper, which is a attaché, your onions, everything you have already blended. Just put everything inside. If you think you still need your pepper, put it inside now. Then you go on and add your Maggi. Mind you, don't add any salt at all now because we are going to use our meat water to cook this soup. Remind you, we have already put small salt when we are frying our onions. Then you should cover your soup, let it cook. Then you put your meat water inside, followed by your meat. You can taste your soup. If you think you still need salt, it's good for you, you can put it. If you think it's cool, then don't put it. I've put my shaki, my pomo, my everything. You think you have a body, fuku, bagba. Don't put everything now. Then you cover it and let it cook for another 10 minutes in a low heat. This is the outcome of our soup, the stew and the vegetable. If we have any party, just go on and prepare it like this. You don't need to hire any chef at all. If you need anything, just come to ABI'S World channel. You will see everything you need. You can use the soup to eat any swallow of your choice. Is it pando, your gari, which is your eba, your amala, anything you want to use it. Just see that momo, oh my god, like thank you for coming in once again. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. See you on my next video. Bye.